Hi! In front of me is OPPO A16 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to find clock and click on it. Now tap on agree and continue, choose allow and tap on alarms at the top left corner if it's not already on. Then tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner. Set up an hour and when you're ready, choose ring once or custom. I will go with custom. Now you can select repeat and pick days of the week manually. When you're ready, just go back. Now you need to click on alarm name, label your alarm however you wish to, and tap on the switches next to vibrate and snooze to disable or enable those features. Lastly, click on ringtone and pick one of those melodies as the alarm sound by tapping on the best one for you and going back. You can also click on select from files, pick music from your smartphone and go back. To save your alarm, click at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and picking one of those options. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it though, you can also do that, but you need to click on edit at the top left corner, select alarm that you wish to get rid of and tap on delete. Then confirm your choice by tapping on delete one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!